loves! Happy Valentine's Day! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome for the very first time. In this video, I will be doing a V-Day makeup and hair transformation. Yes, first time I'm doing a video like this, and I'm extremely happy with how this look came out. Look at all of this hair, but it's so lightweight. It's not weighing my head down at all. It's so pretty. Here's a close-up of the makeup. Alright loves, let's get right into the video. For today's tutorial, I'm using the new CoverGirl TruNaked Smoky palette, and I'm starting off by taking this deep purple shade on my Start Fluffy blending brush and working it in and above my crease. I'm priming my lid with the Ruby Kisses 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer. I'm using my Aloe E122 to apply this smoky gray shadow to the outer half of my lid. On that same brush, I am taking that lighter toned silver and applying it from the inner corner of my eye and blending it into that deeper gray that I placed on the outer lid. And lastly, I'm going over that silver shadow that I placed down first with this sparkly metallic silver using that same Aloe E122 that I spritzed with rose water. I'm highlighting my brow bone first with this matte off-white shade using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. I'm going over that matte off-white shadow with the sparkly iridescent white in the palette using that same ColorMates eyeshadow brush. I think winged eyeliner can make any eyeshadow look that much more dramatic. To achieve mine, I'm using the E.L.F. liquid liner. Before I apply my falsies, I'm adding a coat of the Smoke and Mirrors Lengthening Mascara. I am applying the Miss Lashes 3D Volume Lash in the style M301. I'm taking that deep purple that I blended into my crease onto my lower lash line using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. I'm now applying a coat of that Smoke and Mirrors Lengthening Mascara to my bottom lashes. I finally got a new eyeliner. It is the Flower Forever Wear eyeliner in Onyx, and it is amazing. Taking that white iridescent shadow on my E.L.F. small smudge brush, I am now highlighting the inner corner of my eye. I'm contouring my face with a mixture of the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder and Milk Chocolate and the Giove Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer in shade 2 using my AOA F13. I'm using my Modessa blush brush to apply the Princessa Matte Blush in shade 303. I'm using my AOA F19 to highlight with the new Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Blossom Glow. This highlighter is absolutely gorgeous, and my goal is to ultimately have every Mega Glow highlighter in my makeup collection. Nothing says sexy like a bold red lip. For this look, I'm using the LA Colors Matte Lipstick in Relentless Red. I'm topping my lipstick with the Nicka K Aqua Lip Color in Amaranth. The wig I'm wearing is by Model. It is their premium 7-star V-shaped lace front in the style EV004 color 1B, and it was $47 at the beauty supply store. After I trimmed the lace off of the wig, I sprayed it with the Next Image Coco-Mango 2-in-1 Conditioner and Detangler. Alright loves, this is my completed Valentine's Day makeup and hair transformation. I had so much fun filming this video. I had never done a transformation video before and I really enjoyed filming it. And I really like how this makeup and this hair just goes so well together. Speaking of this hair, this is a lot of hair and it's big. It's very sexy, pairs well with the sexy makeup. Alright loves, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Everything will be listed down below, including this wig. If I can find a link to it, I will leave that down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought. And until next time, bye loves, happy Valentine's Day.